Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI. So I might be just a little bit biased, but check out how handsome my husband looks in his new two-piece slim fit suit from MOGU. This was our very first time ever getting a suit online, and we were very impressed with the quality and how well it fit him. So we just followed the size recommendation chart. He typically wears a 44 long in jacket, which is what we got. We love the notched lapel, which gives it a very traditional and formal look. It has a 1-button closure in the front and 4 false buttons on the sleeves. It also has the 2 traditional pockets in the front, 2 on the inside of the jacket, along with the faux pocket on the left chest with a faux handkerchief. This suit jacket is so snazzy. So it's designed to be slim fit, but because of the slit in the back, my husband says there was plenty of room for movement and it felt very comfortable to wear. He even wore it separately as a blazer jacket, and talk about stylish. I think this white jacket is just very sharp and it was perfect for our formal event. So he's 6 foot tall and weighs 210 pounds. Normally he wears a size 36-32 in pants, but we did size up and get the size 38, which fit nicely with a belt, and it came all the way to the top of his feet. The whole suit is made out of 80% polyester and 20% rayon, so the material feels nice and soft, it's breathable, and I was able to iron out all the creases very easily. Plus, he gets so many compliments every single time he wears this, so we have been very pleased with this suit, but that's just our point of view.